We begin with new details in the case of the 15-year-old shot to death by another teen over the weekend. The tragedy has torn apart a Caroline County community.
Tonight, we're getting to hear a side of the story you often don't get to hear, how the crime is impacting the suspect's family. They reached out to us here at NBC 12 wanting to share a message. Brittany McDonald just back with that interview. Now, Brittany, what are they telling you?
Well, Kurt and Sabrina, while the victim's family is, of course, grieving, the suspect's family says they're hurting too. They tell me they're being threatened and their kids are being bullied.
They have suffered a loss, and so have we.
Alvita Goodall, the aunt of the 15-year-old murder suspect, says she doesn't feel safe in her own house.
I don't feel safe because I don't know, what somebody might think about doing to retaliate.
She says since her nephew allegedly shot and killed another Caroline County teen, her family has been getting the backlash. Your kids were not involved in this situation?
No, not at all. So I don't understand what all this treating, this animosity is coming from. I don't want anything to happen to anybody else, and, definitely not my son.
Goodall claims her son, the suspect's cousin, has been receiving threats on Instagram and Facebook and at school.
It's not right. He didn't do anything to deserve this kind of treatment.
I just feel bad about it. I feel sad for everybody.
Deshara Williams says she's one of several of the suspect's relatives who were sent home from school Tuesday after a fight broke out.
I just feel like everybody just look at me funny.
It's incidents like these that has Goodall on edge.
Life was already lost. I don't want any more lives taken. It's enough.
So what are you asking?
I'm just asking. I'm mainly asking for the threats to stop. It's time for all of us in Caroline to come together. Because I want the kids to go back to school and feel safe.
The teen suspect is charged with homicide and use of a firearm in the commission of a felony and remains in custody at a juvenile facility. On your side, I'm Brittany McDonald for NBC 12.